Homeowners often skip proper preparation when sealing small concrete cracks, which shortens repair lifespan. Start by assessing the crack depth and width with a screwdriver or similar tool to determine whether surface sealant is appropriate or a deeper patch is needed. For narrow hairline cracks under 1/4 inch wide, a flexible concrete crack sealant or specialized masonry caulk usually works best because it accommodates movement. Apply with a steady bead and tool the sealant flush with the surface. For cracks wider than that, route the joint to a uniform width and depth, using a cold chisel or rotary tool fitted with a crack chasing blade so the repair material keys in and bonds properly. Always remove all loose particles, dust, and any oil or efflorescence by brushing and then blowing or vacuuming the groove, and follow with a water rinse if the product instructions require it, allowing the substrate to dry fully. When layering is needed, apply thin successive coats rather than a single thick application, and respect the manufacturer recommended wait times between coats to avoid solvent entrapment and poor adhesion. Protect the repair from foot traffic, rain, and rapid temperature changes during curing by covering it with a breathable tarp or cardboard supported above the surface until the material reaches full strength. A common mistake is only removing the obvious loose chunks but leaving dust and microfragments which prevent a proper bond. Solve that by brushing, vacuuming, and, if needed, using a wire brush or compressed air to expose clean substrate. Another issue is not widening or profiling the crack so the new material cannot anchor. Address this by routing to a consistent V or U-shaped dimension suited to the product you will use. The third frequent problem is rushing curing times, which causes shrinkage or delamination. Prevent this by following cure time guidance, applying thinner coats, and protecting the area from moisture and temperature swings while it develops strength. On bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find local contractors and share project experiences so people can learn what works before they start. We also help contractors find work and participate in our active discussion community where both homeowners and professionals exchange tips and ask questions.